Well, on that last trade, we broke even on 3 contracts, lost 5 points on the 1 break even. But we did. Now we're back testing below the J period low, testing below the A period buying tail low of 131, and we're in the AB period of 128. I'm going to check the 128 chart and see if there's any opportunity down here. There was buying in the 26s and the 30s, so we're going to take the 31s here. There's our 32.25 fill. We'll put our stop at 31 and target 5 points higher at 36. Jeez, there's our stop. This is freaking ridiculous. Golly, we're going to pause and see if we can reposition. Of course, when you get stopped out at 31, it gives you no time. You just get stopped out at 30, 31, it gives you no time to get back in at a decent price. You know, it's always like that. Yeah, maybe I need to shorten my time frame and profit targets and just trade 100 trades a day. I don't know. Maybe Mark Greenspoon has got the right combination. We're going to take the 31s. So we are long 2 at 13.31. Again, for the second time. Alright, one more tick and we'll get our fill at 32.50. I didn't get filled at 32.50. We're still waiting for that fill. Alright, there's our fill at 32.25. We have our target now at 36 and our stop at 31. We're patiently waiting here with our 31 break-even stop on our second contract. I know I can get more than 1.25 points. This is early in my career. It's early in my learning curve. I know I can get more trading better than 1.25 point profit targets. But I just have to be patient and refine this trade, refine this craft of mine. I was looking at the H period. You know, initially we thought the day looked like it was forming a balance, and then all of a sudden, when the H period and G period came down and made that double bottom, we were looking to buy that. Initially, I don't think we did. If we did, we got stopped out, and the day ended up being a pretty balanced day. Should have realized once the H period came down to the mean that it was going to test the lower area of value, and sure enough, that's what it did. Well, there's our stop, 31. We're out. We're going to take the 30.75s. Could have got filled out at 30.50s, so we're going to buy 2 30.75s. These trades are probably wrong trades. They're risky trades. We're already below the 32. We tested it more than once. Our target's 32. I wouldn't be surprised this is a losing trade. We'll see. We bought it because we saw some cross trade building down there at this area. It's enough to bounce up a point, but that's it so far. We'll hang tight though. We don't want to carry this 30.75 down too far though. Starting to build volume here at the 29. See the cross trade building. I think that's a good sign, even though it looks like people are selling. If the M period was going to break, now I don't like this where it's coming down 173, 800. We need to bounce back up soon here. We need to hit the ask if we're going to keep this area held. See a little bit of activity at the ask here. Our target is 32. Come on, get to 32. We'll break even and put our break even stop in. Alright, we need a 32 tick, and we'll take our point and a quarter and put our stop in at 30.75. We didn't get there. See this cross trade here? That was enough to keep us from ticking up to 32.25. This will be the last trade for the day also. So we'll let the video run. It was a difficult day today. We made mistakes again today. Nothing catastrophic. We made some good decisions. We made some bad decisions. We missed opportunities that we should have taken advantage of. Knowing where they were, somehow we still didn't take advantage of them. We didn't take advantage of buying the 32s at the 8 period lows. Somehow we got in the trade, got stopped out, never got back in. Didn't take advantage of selling the 53s where it was K period, yesterday's K period's high. We missed that. We were in the trade, got stopped out, somehow didn't get back in. Now we're underwater here again. We're looking for the 32s. I don't like this action. We're out of all contracts at 28.50. Get out of this position. 28.50. Well, we're out of that trade. We didn't like when it came back down and tested the low. Of course, it didn't break below where we got out, 28.50. That's where some cross trade actually took place. So we'll let the video run for another 2 or 3 minutes. See if we would have achieved our target instead of taking a 2.25 loss on 2 contracts. Gotta hate that. Golly. Amazing, huh? But we couldn't take a chance on the end period falling apart. We haven't rallied all through the afternoon period. I don't like taking small losses either. Big losses stink and small losses don't feel so well after you've had a day that, you know, was limited on the gains. I think my biggest trade was 1 1/4 points today. Amazing, actually. Definitely need to find some refinement somewhere in the strategy here. Whether it's more frequent trading, I just don't know right at this point. Certainly one thing, I need to concentrate on reference points on a macro scale. When I say macro, I mean within a 5 to 10 day distribution. There's a half an hour left, 15 minutes to the cash close, half an hour to the Globex close. We're testing that 28.50 area again. Man, just a quarter tick away from our 32 fill. Would have protected us to the downside, would have stopped even, break even stop. Missed it though. We'll pause the video and see where we close. Well, the cash just closed, and we got down to 24.75. We got out of our original contracts at 28.50. Now in the last 15 minutes, we're gravitating back up toward 30.75, or actually we're gravitating up to where we got out. Our entry was 30.75. Well, we're trading below our entry. There's a couple minutes to go. We're going to produce this video, so didn't stop out at 28.50. It was as low as 24.50, so that's okay.